In today's video, we'll compare SheerSEO and Seodity. We'll be comparing things such as pricing, keyword tracking features, keyword research features, on-page features, off-page features, and overall we'll be taking a look at how easy or beginner-friendly both of these tools are. So when it comes to pricing, SheerSEO is available for one-time payment of $75. So let's check out the plans which are available on appsumo. So for the single plan, as you can see, that's $75. In that you get one domain along with 200 keywords, and then we have this 20 explorer reports per month, then 2 site visits, then 2 site audits per month, and 2000 pages scrolled per month. So this is the base plan, single plan here. So similarly you can go for the double and the multiple plans here. Now let's check out Seodity plans. Now Seodity is available for one-time payment of $79. So this is for the tier 1 plan. So here as you can see, for tier 1 it's $79, and in this you get 2500 web pages, then 300 keywords, then you can add up to 10 competitors here, 20,000 backlinks, then we have this 250 on-demand on-site analysis per month. Also we get 250 on-demand lighthouse analysis per month. So similarly you can go for the tier 2 and tier 3 plans as well. So in terms of pricing, both this software have similar pricing. So now let's compare the keyword research tools included in SheerSEO and Seodity. Keyword research is a critical feature that's included in any SEO. Now let's talk about keyword research for SheerSEO. So here you just have to enter the keyword here and click on search ideas. So here as you can see, all the results are here. So these are all the keywords. Then we have the volume here, and this is the CPC. So this is the competition index here. Then we have this keyword difficulty here. And let's check out the keyword research in Seodity. So here as you can see, you just have to enter the keyword and click on search keywords. So here you'll be able to see all the keywords here, all the related keywords. Then we have this keyword difficulty here along with CPC. Also we have the search volume here. So in SheerSEO here you'll be able to add extra filter here. So you can filter the results according to volume, CPC, number of words, keyword difficulty, and competition index here. So here we don't have such filter here to filter out the results. Okay, so if you select this one, so here you'll be able to select this keyword difficulty, but the sorting will be ascending or descending. So there is no particular like filter where you will just enter the number here and you will get the result. Also in Seodity here you'll be able to find this keyword ideas. So here you can find different keywords idea along with the keyword difficulty, CPC, and search volume. Also they have this related keywords here. So here you'll be able to find all the related keywords here. So you can see Instagram marketing book. So keyword difficulty is 24, and you can see the search volume here. So these are all the related keywords here. I don't think there is a clear winner. I would rate both of them a 4 out of 5. Let's take a look at the keyword tracking and rank tracker that are included in both the tools. So now let's check out the rank tracking in SheerSEO. So for rank tracking you just have to select rankings and click on current here. So here as you can see, so these are all the keywords, and this is the latest progress here, and this is the ranking here. So this is ranking number 4, and you can see here, so this is the volume as you can see here. So this is the URL here. Also in SheerSEO you'll be able to select Google, Bing, YouTube. So you can see there are different options for search engine, whereas in Seodity I'll just select this rank tracker. So these are all the keywords, and you can see the rank here. So these are all the ranking, and this is the change here. So this is up by 40, this is down by 2. So these are all the URL, and then we have this keyword difficulty here, and then we also get the CPC and the search volume here. So the plus point for SheerSEO is you can also check the ranking for Google, Bing and YouTube. Whereas in Seodity you only get for Google only. Overall both of these rank trackers are pretty good, but I will give SheerSEO a 0.5 higher rating than Seodity because you can track for Google, Bing and YouTube. Now let's take a look at the on-page tools and features that are included in both SheerSEO and Seodity. Now talking about the on-page SEO in SheerSEO, so you just have to select this site audit, and in site audit you have to select audit overview. So here you'll be able to see all the issues with your website. So I'll just select this one. So as you can see, so these are all the URLs and these are all the issues which you can solve. Once you scroll over here, you'll be able to see how to fix these issues. Then also we have this keyword density here. So here you will get all the data for regarding keyword density. So now let's go to the on-site in Seodity. So here as you can see all the errors, all the warnings and all the notices here. So you can fix this and improve your site. So then we have this performance here. So you can also check the performance, the accessibility, best practices, SEO score here. So you can see all the performance. Now talking about the backlinks in SheerSEO. So here you will be able to find all the backlinks to your site. So along with the data here, citation flow, trust flow. So this is the anchor text, this is the target URL. So whether it's a no follow or do follow link. So also you get the date which is first seen here, and then you can check the site history. Then you get backlinks explorer here. So if you paste any competitor's URL here, you'll be able to see all the sites which are linking to the competitor's website. You can also filter it by citation flow or trust flow here. So in Seodity, so you can see the backlinks here. So these are all the active backlinks to your website. So these are all the new and the lost backlinks. So here you'll be able to see all the backlinks which are pointing to your sites along with the anchor text, along with the status, whether it's active or not, whether it's a no follow or do follow. Also you get this page rank and domain rank here. So if you want to check backlinks to a particular competitor's website, you just have to paste the URL of your competitor here, and you'll be able to see all the backlinks which are pointing to your competitors. Overall, I believe they both have really good and useful on-page and off-page tools, but I will give SheerSEO a 0.5 higher on both on-page and off-page tools because I believe they have a few more features and functionality than Seodity. The final feature I would like to discuss is the competitive research tools included in both SheerSEO and Seodity. When it comes to competitive research, I believe there is a significant difference between SheerSEO and Seodity because SheerSEO includes a lot more features that allow you to do competitive research and find keywords that your competitors are ranking for but you are not. So for example, under the keyword gap tool, you can enter up to 3 competitors and they will compare your keywords that the competitors are ranking for that you are currently not ranking for. So you can pull a lot of really useful information using this tool. You can also use the organic research tool to find shared keywords between both you and your competitors. And you can also see a breakdown of the keywords. While on Seodity, you can compare your domain to your competitors, but you can only see the top pages or maybe a comparison between the domain. You are not really able to see the gap between the keywords in which you are ranking for and your competitors aren't ranking for, or what your competitor is ranking for and what you are not ranking for. So you can't really do the comparison on Seodity as you can on SheerSEO. So for those reasons, I will give SheerSEO a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars and Seodity a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. In my opinion, SheerSEO is the superior tool because it has been on the market longer than Seodity, which is a relatively new tool. and it also has far more features and functionality than Seodity. I'll also leave a link to the lifetime deal in the description below this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.